First night in Tampa, baby. Here we go. Is this the Tampa Wheelie King? We gotta do it again, do it again.
Yeah, baby! I'm white too, don't tell nobody.
Wow, this is always dangerous. When you get all the boys lined up. Just listen to that! The only problem with having multiple bikes is I never know how much gas is in any of them. 2 gallons? That's not bad. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm actually kind of embarrassed at how long it's been since I've ridden rain, man. It's been months. This bike is so beautiful, man. Such a sight to see, especially all the carbon on here. Sheesh! She's even burnt the swing arm from all the flames that come out of the exhaust here. Thought that was a cop for a second. I was like, oh, he's heard me for miles. Just listen to that. Oh my gosh. Just the shifts. Rain, it's so good to be back on you, girl. I miss you. You don't even have to be going crazy fast to enjoy that. That is so satisfying to listen to. Oh my god, I could just do that all day. I keep having to look behind me just in case there's a cop. I need to put some mirror, or at least a barn mirror on this bike. But huge shout out to the FastLaneD gang. I've been saying, obviously I'm new to the area. I don't know where cops like to sit, and y'all commented a million places to be careful. So I really do appreciate you guys. Some of y'all might have saved me from getting a ticket, but right now we're headed to bike night. It's Tuesday night. Tampa Joes is the spot. Apparently every biker I've met has said something about this bike night, so I'm excited to see what the turnout is. It's a beautiful Tuesday evening. It's not too cold out. It's in like the 60s, high 60s right now, which is like perfect riding weather in my opinion, where you can wear your gear but you're not like sweating your ass off. Now we did take the pops and bangs tune off this bike, and don't get me wrong, I love that tune, but if you ever see me out when I'm not recording, this is the bike I'll most likely be on. And I found myself not really riding it as often as I did because it was just so obnoxious, which I'm not complaining about because that's exactly what I asked. I was like, hey Chris, put the most obnoxious pops and bangs tune on here, and he was like, are you sure you want to do that? And I was like, yes. He was like, are you sure? And I was like, yes, let's go, baby. So Chris did exactly what I asked, but if like I was leaving late or like just going to get groceries or riding to work, like I didn't want to be that guy, you know what I'm saying, all of the time. Now it was great for content. You guys absolutely loved it, and I love riding this bike to like meetups and whatnot, but I don't want this bike just to be a meetup bike. That's kind of like what the H2 is. It's just like an accessory bike. I would never buy an H2 and have that be like my main bike just because it's so one-dimensional, man. But that's how I felt like this bike was starting to become. And I have no idea where I'm going, to be honest with you right now. I think it's right. I tried to memorize the directions, but I'm probably wrong. I think the Crossplane is definitely 100% the best sounding engine on the market right now. All right, let's pull over here and figure out where we need to go. Oh, this is all gravel. Let's go, Rain! We gotta do it again, do it again. All right, let's get out of here. And I see a cop right there, so but we're gonna chill out a little bit. But yeah, so we took the pumps and banks tune off so I can start riding this bike a little bit more and not be as obnoxious as I was before. Chris was right. He was like, you're gonna get tired of this, and I was like, nah, there's no way. And fast forward like a year or so, and yeah, we're back. I don't know if these cops bother you or not. Please don't get behind me. Alright, let's see how this goes. This could get interesting. Let's shift. Third gear. Not being obnoxious. Stealth mode. Chillin', chillin'. We'll turn around and see if he's behind me right now. Alright, we're good. Yeah! In the clear, boys. In the clear. But y'all comment down below. Do y'all think I should have kept the flame tune? Or do you think the bike is better without the flame tune? As long as she still throws flames, that's all I really care about. I'm a little kid when it comes to that stuff, man. When it comes to fire, I may or may not be a power maniac, but all my bikes shoot flames and I freaking love it. Obviously, I want them all to be healthy, but there's no harm in a little bit of, you know, flame action. Woo. Talk to him, Ren. Talk to him, girl. Let's check the directions real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so make a left at the 6th light and then after the 3rd light. Anyone else do directions like that on their bike? Also, am I the only one that thinks Yamaha needs to drop a new bike? It's been almost 10 years. Like 2025 will literally mark 10 years since this bike unveiled. Yes, they did some cosmetic updates and some slight tweaks to the engine here and there, but I'm ready for Yamaha to change the game again, man. It's been too long. Oh, that was a scooter. I just waved at a scooter. That's embarrassing. Do y'all wave at scooters or not? Oh, I forgot. I didn't even count the lights. Dang it. I already don't know what light I'm at. Did I pass them already? All right, there's one. Oh, crap. This is why I've been riding the BMW everywhere, because it pops up on the screen and I don't have to think about it. All right, so I think we take a left here. I want to see other motorcyclists, I think. Yeah, we got a friend. Yeah. Let's see if, oh, and it's a girl. What's going on? Are you going to Tampa Joes? All right, I'm going to follow you. I don't know where I'm going. All right, perfect. What's your name? Jessica. Dylan, nice to meet you. Heck yeah. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. There we go. We got Jessica on a ZX6R. Man, it's always so cool running the later riders, man. We'll let her lead the way. Okay, Jessica, get it, girl. All right, I'm getting left right now. That's unacceptable. Oh. I don't think this is our turn. I think we turn at the light. We turn at the light? Alright, alright. Yeah, it's at the light up there and it's green. Oh, we just missed it. It's all good. That's a nice little ZX6 and it's a brand new one too. I'll show you guys once we get to the spot because I know it's dark. And the GoPro does not like low light settings.
I barely reached the floor.
Tiptoeing. The struggle. We got some more. Let's go, baby. Let's go. This is what we came to Florida right for, right here, baby. The bike life. Oh, I see a ton of bikes. Let's go. Let's go on a Tuesday evening. This is what I'm talking about, baby. Holy shit. What? Oh, that is hundreds of bikes right here. No way, dude. That is lit. Tampa, baby, let's go. Oh man, we outside tonight, boys. We outside tonight. This is wild. Oh, I can't even believe this, man. I don't know if we're supposed to ride through here, but I'm going to. Craziness. We got some, I saw a V4R. We got a Speciale out here. There he is. Let's go, baby. Got a little boost of action out here. Okay. My visor's fogging up. I know you guys probably can't see anything out here right now. So I'll probably have to get y'all onto a different camera, but yeah, this is what I'm talking about, dude. This is what I'm talking about. All right, let's get y'all into a parking spot. bike night. There we go. My man follows the channel. I appreciate the love, man.
My hair's fucked up, but don't worry.
Nah, you're good. You still look great, bro. So I'm kind of upset right now because my GoPro shut off. Y'all didn't get to see me rolling in. I got bombarded. I appreciate you guys for all the love, man. It really does mean a lot. Also, I'm trying to talk over the music so that we don't get demonetized. But man, Tampa, y'all are showing out, man. The bike life out here is nuts, especially for a Tuesday. I'm gonna flip you guys around so y'all can see everything. We may just have to do a montage of all the bikes, but there are hundreds of bikes out here, man. Let's see, we got all these over here. Sheesh, you're good, man, you're good. NT10s, ZX6s, R7s, got some blades, Honda gang, some stretch bikes out here. I love that pink and blue over there. And there, man, it's like never ending bikes. We even got Triumph trailer out here. Sheesh. I don't know what that green one is right there, but that is beautiful, man. We got some more boys out here. Damn, look at all these. Got some lowered ones. Sheesh. A little bit of everything. Look at this boost out here. Absolutely beautiful. ZX6s. Yeah. Golly, even more hiding back there, man. Nuts. Tampa Bike Life. I love this jigsaw right here. Sheesh. Look at that, full carbon. This bike itself deserves a montage, man. And it is not easy to get carbon to fit properly, but man, the fitment on this thing is, sheesh, that's what I'm saying. That's beautiful, man. Is that yours? Hey, that's nice, man. That's what's up, bro. Beautiful. You gotta do that every time you look at it, man. Every time you walk in the garage, just like that. There we go. To yourself, too. Yeah. Shout out to the Bay Area riders for putting this event on and having me out, man. This is awesome. So I'm sure y'all definitely be seeing a lot more of them out here for sure. Look at that. That reminds me of B-Rod Muscle. Only the OGs of the OGs. What the heck is that? Only the OGs of the OGs remember that. You got the two-faced out here, white with the candy red. That's beautiful. Next to the R1M. It's crazy. This is the bike I started the channel with. Was the 07 blade right here, man. So, cheers. Say shout out to him. Want to get a picture. Shout out to these guys right here as well, man. Been showing hella love. It's been crazy. This is not what I'm used to, but I'm excited to be out here for real, man. Okay, hold on. I have to get you. I don't want to get that phone off. Alright guys, that was a successful bike night. It's always hard at events like that because I can't really film. I want to like interact with the people that came out. I'm still so salty I was not recording. Y'all missed all that. That was so cool when I pulled up. And not even just to show it off to you guys, just to have that memory for myself, man. That was dope, man. Shout out to Tampa. Shout out to the Bay Area riders. I'm so excited to be down here, man. This is a whole new chapter we're starting. Also, this throttle's sticking on this bike. I gotta figure out why. That's another thing I've heard, is that the drivers out here are terrible. Like, really bad. Anytime I tell anyone I'm coming to Florida, they're like, yo, be careful, man. Got the booster. Wow, this is always dangerous. Let me get all the boys lined up. Here we go. Here we go! Here we go! Let's go! Wayne is back! This bike is nuts, dude. Freaking nuts. I thought it was a cop for a second. I was like, oh, this is gonna get interesting. A little 1299 action. Nice. He's got the carbon rear hugger on there. Oh, and he's got the passenger cowl, or seat cowl, rear seat cowl. Yep. Got it on the front there. Hell yeah, this is nice, man. The OGs of the OGs remember my 2017 that I had. Lacey with the livery on there. It's a good bike, kinda.
Yeah, baby!
Baby! Hey, that was pretty good.
Right? I'm white too, don't tell nobody.
Damn, I wish I was recording that, man.
Hey, alright, do it. We're doing it again. Yeah, baby!
Hey, that's pretty good. Y'all comment down below, let them know. From a scale 1 to 10, how was that, man?
Nah, it could be better. It could be better.
10 out of 10.
If I come touch them wheelies though.
Oh, that's facts though. Is this the Tampa Wheelie King? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I didn't say it.
Uh-oh. They gonna get you in the comments if there's something better.
Mike Diesel, I know you out there. Dang, Willie, I know you out there.
That's
you
true.
You the king. I'm not taking that title. We should all get together.
Hey, that'll be some good content. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at the beautiful skyline of downtown Tampa. Let's go. Wow, that is sick. That is so beautiful. This is the perfect way to end this video, man. Let's go, new city, baby. We got a lot to work to do. Like I said, I'll bring y'all along for the journey. On the road to 1 mil, baby. But if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the Fast Lane gang, baby. Wow, man, the new home, baby. Oh man, all right, well I'm gonna head back. I will catch y'all next time. We out. Peace.